Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to ace all grades in school. Whether you're a high school student aiming for top marks or a college student striving for excellence, this video will provide you with the strategies and motivation you need to succeed. Let's get started. Success in school starts with setting clear, achievable goals. Define what acing your grades means to you. Is it getting straight A's, understanding the material thoroughly, or balancing academics with extracurricular activities? Write down your goals and break them into smaller, manageable tasks. This way, you have a roadmap to follow and can track your progress. Time management is crucial for academic success. Use tools like planners, calendars, or apps to organize your schedule. Prioritize your tasks based on deadlines and importance. Create a study timetable that includes regular breaks to avoid burnout. Remember, consistency is key. By managing your time effectively, you can ensure that you're prepared for every test and assignment. Passive reading and note-taking aren't enough to ace your grades. Engage with the material actively. Here are some techniques. Summarize information. After reading a chapter or attending a lecture, write a brief summary in your own words. Teach what you learn. Explaining concepts to someone else helps reinforce your understanding. Use mnemonics. Create acronyms or rhymes to remember complex information. Practice retrieval. Test yourself regularly to improve recall and retention. Your study environment plays a significant role in your academic performance. Find a quiet, well-lit space free from distractions. Keep your study materials organized and within reach. Set specific times for studying and stick to them. A comfortable and dedicated study area can significantly enhance your focus and productivity. Take advantage of the resources available to you. Attend review sessions, join study groups, and seek help from teachers or tutors when needed. Online resources like educational websites, videos, and forums can also provide valuable support. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance. Utilizing resources effectively can make a big difference in your understanding and performance. Maintaining motivation throughout the school year can be challenging. Here are some tips to stay inspired. Set rewards. Treat yourself after completing a challenging task or reaching a milestone. Stay positive. Focus on your strengths and progress rather than dwelling on setbacks. Visualize success. Imagine achieving your academic goals and the benefits that come with it. Stay active. Regular exercise can boost your mood and energy levels, helping you stay focused. Your physical and mental health are crucial for academic success. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and staying hydrated. Take breaks to relax and unwind. Practice stress relief techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. A healthy body and mind are essential for peak performance. Consistency and persistence are key to acing your grades. Stick to your study schedule, keep up with assignments, and review your notes regularly. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or challenges. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Stay persistent, and your hard work will pay off. Acing your grades in school is a journey that requires dedication, effective strategies, and a positive mindset. By setting clear goals, managing your time, engaging actively with the material, and taking care of your health, you can achieve academic success. Remember, every effort you put in brings you one step closer to your dreams. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. Good luck.